my name is Roy. I'm here at the ilFornino showroom. We will be showing a series of tips and tricks to enhance your pizza oven experience. Today, our tip is on using an infrared thermometer. An infrared thermometer is used in many different applications. Its primary purpose is to read surface temperatures. It's useful because you don't have to come too close to a surface, especially a surface that is very hot. Upon purchasing an infrared thermometer, make sure that it's capable of reading high temperatures. You're going to want it to read temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees. Now, to measuring your oven temperature, you shoot your infrared gun at the floor of the oven, and then you add 100 degrees to that. This will give you the most accurate temperature, and that is the method used by most pros for accurate oven temperatures. For example, if your floor temperature is reading 600 degrees, the air or cooking temperature of your oven is actually 700 degrees. I hope you find today's tips useful, and if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and more tricks for your wood-fired pizza ovens.